Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluidart with Macrame Elegance. Welcome to my video. Let's do something different. I'm gonna do, well, bloom is not different for me, but let's do see if we can do something psychedelic. This is Magenta by Golden, and then I have this purple, and I'm not sure really. That was a custom color. And I have Liquitex turquoise. I like their turquoise the best. And then we have Liquitex fluorescent yellow mixed with azo yellow. And let's this time try it with, where's my black cell activator? Here it is. Okay, let's use oxide black. I don't know how that's gonna go on the, let me add a little bit white cell activator first. And then black. And let's blow this up. All right. Those are some bright colors. Okay. Letting the center collect a little bit. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Another little spin. Ooh, I like that. Those colors are bright and vibrant. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let me get you down for a close-up and we'll look at this. Let's look at it.